Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to report the users on Mastodon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom, as you can see, we have 5 tabs where you have the home tab where you can check out the things that people from your follower list are following. We have the search. We have the new post where you can go and post your posts, notifications, and in the bottom right corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and report users on Mastodon. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So for instance, let's go to the search bar and search for a user. Now here you can go and find some people. For instance, let's click here and then go into the user's profile. When you have entered the user's profile, in the top right corner, as you can see, we have these 3 dots. You just need to go and click there. And here, as you can see, you have a lot of things to do. Of course, we need to go and look at these red things. So block that, report or block. So you just need to go and of course click on report. And here you will have some steps on how you can actually go and report him. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.